action! He's gonna blow!
Get back here! Hey! Release me! Hey! I'm Zurg's #1 agent!
Now there's something I wouldn't go boasting about.
What, you gonna jump? Are you crazy?
Buddy boy, we're on the janitorial staff. You're looking at a couple of risk takers.
It's true.
No!
Don't be such a fraidy cat.
Like we really just jumped.
Okay, Buzz, what are we going to actually do?
The LGM mind link was activated by a simple touch. Maybe, just maybe.
You're doing it!
The power of good is a strong thing, Mira.
But not strong enough.
Blast! Thanks to Zurg, the Uni-Mind is rotten to the core.
Then let's get you to the core.
You're gonna ghost me?
Yeah! Buzz!
To infinity and beyond!
Ah, Lightyear.
No! My plan! My galaxy!
Uni-Mind wave impact in 3 seconds.
Curse you, Buzz Lightyear!